Hello guys and welcome to Hartman Traders. In this video I'm going to be explaining to you when to enter certain point at the after the breakthrough at the support level. So in the previous video I've showed you guys what is the great entry point after the breakthrough at resistance level. This video is totally opposite. That was about an uptrend and this is about a downtrend. When to enter a downtrend after the breakthrough at the support level. So generally it means this video is about taking short positions, not long position. So I'm going to explaining how to take short position. So let's get started with the video. As you can see that this is a normal uptrend. Now let's find our support and resistance level. So this is a great area of support level. This is a great support level for a price of this part. You can see that as it broke this trend line, where is it? Yes, as it broke this trend line, you can see that it became a resistance level for the price of this area. And as you can see, as I've showed to you in the previous video, that when the stock breaks at any point a certain trend line, so it came back and confirm its position, and after which it continues its momentum. But in this case it did not confirm its position, it continued in the downtrend. And you can see that for these type of positions you can short at any position, here or here, somewhere the two or three candlesticks, you can short your position at any point. So those are your entry points and you can enter at any level in those points, for which you can continue the downward trend. Now let's find some more. Well, generally I will use this one. You can see that this one is also a support level. Now this trend line is acting as support level for the price of this part. So as it broke this trend line at this point, and you can see that the stock came back to confirm its position, touched this trend line, confirmed its position, which now acts as a resistance level, and after which it continued its downward motion, downward trend. So in this case, as you can see that it confirms its position. So as I've told you previously, that whenever a stock confirms its position, that is a great entry point to enter, because it gives you an opportunity to enter the trend and move along the trend. So this is a great entry point. Now let's find some more. Again the same thing, breakdown. This time it confirms its position, and after that confirmation the trend continued its downward momentum. So this is a great entry point. This area is a great entry point. Now let's see how much profit you could make out of it. For 43.52%, you can make this much profit out of it by shorting your position at this level. So generally you can use this area for to calculate your profit, but as I'm shorting my position, so I've used this area to just calculate profit. This area is used to calculate your risk to reward ratio, so I've just used it to calculate my profits, not more than that. So you can use this tool anytime you want. So as you guys can see that this was the major area of support level, which acted which these prices acted above it, traded above it. But as it crossed this line, crossed this support level, it became a resistance level again, and you can see that as it touched this trend line, the trend continued its downward motion. So this is a great area to short your position at this level, because you can see that it confirmed its position, which gives an opportunity to the traders that this is a real downtrend and it will move in a downward pattern. Let's find out some more of these areas. I've explained this one. Now this is resistance level. Yes, right here. Now you can see that this again, this area is acting as a support level, but as you can see right here at this area, it broke this support level and came back down, confirmed its position and continued its downward motion. So this area is also a great entry point for the price of this area, because you can see that it confirmed its position at this level, which shows that this is a great downtrend. So if you hold this stock for this long, you could have made 11.90% profit out of this one swing only. This one swing from here to here, you could have made this much profit. So this also a great position. Now you can see that again, as you can see this candlestick, a strong bearish candlestick. This is also a great position besides this. So this is also a great position. As you can see that as the price start to went up, again the price was rejected by the sellers and they pushed the market downwards, even further down at this point. So this is also a great position to enter. You can make this much profit out of it. Let's find some more so that I can explain it to you guys. Where is it, where is it, where is it? What about this one? These are all bullish candlesticks. So again, apply the same method. As you can see, it is forming, what the hell, as it formed lower low, again lower low, lower low. If when a trend has formed lower lows, what it means that it is generally in a downtrend. So you can enter that trend at any point. So as you can see that besides these bullish candlesticks, it is going down. So as you've entered at this level, you can see that this candlestick shows that there is an indecision between the buyers and the sellers. So what it usually shows that this trend could not last long, and it will change to a downtrend. And it did change to a downtrend. As you can see that it started to move in a downward direction, and it did move in a downward direction, came down here up till this point. And in these stocks right here in these candlesticks, you can enter at any point, because it is going, generally it is going in a downward direction. So you can enter at any point. Besides its bullishness, it shows bullish candlesticks. Now this is a great area for long position, to log your position, which I'm not going to talk about it right now, because this video is about downtrends. Now you can see that this from right here, this is a great area, great entry point. You can see that this is a great entry point for the stocks of the. You can see that this was a support. This line, this trend line is acting as support level for the price of this part. So as it crossed this trend line, this support level, it became a resistance level, touched this line again, came back down, again touched this line, and then after this second time, after it touched the trend line for the second time, it continued its downward momentum. So it not only confirmed, but it 200% confirmed that this is a downtrend, because you can see it confirmed its position at two different levels. So this is generally a downtrend moving in a downward direction. So it is generally a downtrend moving in a downward direction. So that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.